So next up, guys, got a nice air compressor here. It's 2012 Sullair 185. Kind of go around it, give you a nice 360-degree view. You'll have the pictures of the engine bay and the motor and everything. They're in the listing, guys. This unit's showing right around 1,300 hours, I believe. Rubber's in good shape. The motor was rebuilt in 2017. And, you know, kind of low-houred, nice running unit, guys. It's got a good pintle hitch. It's got those outlets there. Electric brake hookup. Go ahead. Get you a good demo here. 1,317 hours. I don't know if you saw it, guys. It does smoke a little bit when you first start it up. It does smoke just a little bit. Pressure, guys, idles back down. $1,317 hours. You can see the pressure built there. So there's the demo, guys, on the 2012 Sullair 185 air compressor. Just showed you start up, builds pressure, idles back down. Good luck, guys, with auction time and old 20 auctions.